Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Affirm at Walmart in store. Affirm offers a flexible way to pay for your purchases over time, breaking down larger costs into manageable installments. This convenient payment solution is available for both your in-store and online shopping at Walmart, making it easier to budget for essential items or bigger splurges. We'll walk through the simple steps to get started, ensuring you understand the process from application to approval. Applying for Affirm in-store is straightforward. First, gather all your desired items and proceed to the checkout. When it's time to pay, simply tell the cashier you'd like to use Affirm. They will guide you to a secure link on your smartphone where you can quickly complete a short application. You'll need to provide just a few personal details, and in most cases, you'll receive a credit decision in a matter of seconds. Once approved, it's crucial to understand your Affirm loan terms. You'll typically be offered several payment plans, often spanning 3, 6, or 12 months. Interest rates can vary significantly, from 0% up to 36% annual percentage rate, based on your creditworthiness. Always take a moment to review the total cost, including any interest, and your exact monthly payment before finalizing your purchase. Remember, Affirm prides itself on transparency, with no hidden or late fees. Managing your Affirm payments is simple and convenient. You can easily access and manage your account, as well as make payments, directly through the Affirm mobile app or their official website. To ensure you never miss a payment, we highly recommend setting up autopay. Affirm also sends helpful payment reminders via text and email. Should you have any questions or require assistance, their dedicated customer support team is readily available to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.